And good morning to everyone who has presented in this program. I am very ecstatic to have you here because you are the most important part of this program. Without you, this program is incomplete. I am very excited to run this program as an announcer. I am not quite good, but my respected teachers have given me an opportunity to run this program. So I would like to thank them. We have been already being delayed, so I don't want to waste time. I would like to conduct this program as soon as possible. To make a program better, formal and disciplined, we need a chairperson. So I would like to invite Satish Khadga to the stage and I have an honorable seat as a chief guest. And I would like to invite Vivesh Dani to the stage to have a honorable seat as a chairperson. And meanwhile, I would like to request all the parents and students to take your own seat. The seat consumption program is not still end. I will continue this ceremony. Now it's time for the national anthem. So I would like to request Santosh sir to play the national anthem.